Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can check muted senders or muted messages on Gmail or in a Gmail inbox in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so this method works on both device types, on Gmail on the web version as well as in the mobile version, for example on Android or iOS. So what you want to do guys is navigate to your inbox. And after that, simply use a search filter here at the top. You can also click or expand them more, tap here to the left and navigate to all mail if you like. I will go with the inbox and use the search filter here at the top. To do that, click into the search bar and after that into the search options and navigate to the from or the sender text box here to the right. And simply apply the filter label, double dot, and then mute. Click into search to filter out any messages or senders you have muted here on Gmail in your inbox, and you will see them listed below. Now I haven't muted anyone, should have done that for demonstration purposes, but that's how you do it guys. You need to apply that filter from label double dot mute, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.